Want to give your TikTok profile a fresh look? Changing your username is quick and easy, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Start by opening the TikTok app on your phone. On the home screen, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner to head to your profile page. Once you're there, tap the Edit Profile button just below your profile picture and bio. This will open a page where you can edit various details about your account. Look for the Username section. Here you'll see your current username. Tap on it to make changes. Delete the existing username, then type in your new preferred one. As you type, TikTok will automatically check if the username is available. If the one you want is already taken, you'll need to adjust it by adding numbers, symbols, or choosing a different variation. When you find an available username you like, tap Save in the top right corner. You may be asked to confirm your change. Just follow the on-screen prompt. Keep in mind, TikTok only allows you to change your username once every 30 days. Your TikTok username is updated. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification.